Hi. Hi, this is video for clearing this port mode mismatch alarm. Just I will show the sample how you need to clear this port mode mismatch alarm. Just need to log in the NE. After logging in the NE, just we can check that before that what is the alarm on which port it is existing. For example, here it was existing on port FE1 on EM60 card. So we need to just log in the NE. Just go to the particular port and need to check this port which is present, it is up or not. So here we can see the port is up and the port configuration is auto negotiation 100 ohm full duplex. Need to check on which mode it is working. For checking it, need to go to advanced attributes and in physical parameters we can see the working mode. Here it is showing us 100 ohm off duplex. In those case just we need to change the port settings. For example, instead of auto negotiation need to give 100 ohm full duplex. Once changing the configuration, just need to check the port status. It is showing up and right now we can go and see here the mode of working. And now here it is 100 ohm full duplex and we can see the alarm which is cleared here, and I can show you here also. No more alarms. Thank you. Thanks for watching.